Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today is Shravan month's first Friday where we do Lakshmi Puja. So in this video I am sharing my Lakshmi Puja which I did. Before that I want to share one information, that is why Brahmins don't eat onion or garlic during festival times or in Shravan month or Kartik month. So Brahmin is a caste in Hinduism where majority of people are priests and scholars. Brahmins are those people who are known to preach their culture. They are bound to their tradition and always are close to God to perform their daily sets of pujas and vratas. Brahmins can further be divided into Vaishnavas who follow Lord Vishnu. Sri Vaishnavas were the more devotees of Lord Lakshmi Narayan, pray Lord Shiva, and Smartas who pray Lord Vishnu and Lord Shiva. Uh, Apart from the strict culture and traditional beliefs, Brahmins follow a certain food style too. They do not consume any spicy food. Most importantly, Brahmins do not consume onion and garlic. In the ancient times, people never ate onion and garlic. These two vegetables were never brought to any Brahmin house. Though of late, this concept has been changed. However, many people in the Smarta, Iyengar, and Madhava families do not consume onion or garlic even to this day. As part of the Naivedya that is served for the Lord, the food items are never prepared using onions and garlics. In olden times, there is a story behind onion and garlic. During Kruti Yuga, there was a king named Hiranyakashipa, better known as the father of Bhakta Prahlada, who also had a daughter named Simhika. Simhika was married to Viprachitta. They had 100 sons and one daughter. Firstborn was named Swarbhanu. Devas and Asuras were churning ocean for a nectar called Amrita, which would give immortality on drinking it. Devatas were led by Indra and Asuras were led by Bali, who was the son of Bhakta Prahlada and also the uncle of Swarbhanu. After they got Amrita from churning, Vishnu took the form of a woman and convinced the Asuras and Devas to sit apart. Swarbhanu, the nephew of Bali, found something fishy about it and sat amongst Devas, Suryas, and Chandra in particular. With no intention of giving the Amrita to Asuras, Vishnu poured it all to the Devas and Swarbhanu drank it along with the Devas. Surya and Chandra found something odd about Swarbhanu's attire and complained about him to Vishnu. Vishnu realized that he is an Asura, quickly released his Sudarshana Chakra to decapitate him. Bali went to Lord Shiva for justice, for which Shiva condemned Vishnu's action and asked his sons Ganesha to deal with Swarbhanu's situation, as he had an experience with his own encounter of similar type. Ganesha replaced Swarbhanu's head with a dragon's body to be called as Rahu and torso with dragon's head to be called as Ketu. The blood that dropped from the head and torso on earth grew up into plants, onion and garlic. Just like the drops of Amrita fell from tumbler that Devas and Asuras were carrying off, sure to grow up into Ganja, which Lord Shiva consumed as he could not drink Amrita since he was storing poison in his throat. Since onion and garlic were not of God's direct creation and it was also born through blood, it is of pure tamasic nature. Brahmin is a sattvic nature and he has to maintain that nature at all costs, of which he has to eat only sattvic food and avoid rajasic extreme spices and deep fried, and tamasic meat or rotten food at all costs. And based on Ayurveda too, the foods that we can eat can be divided into three groups: sattvas, rajas, and tamas. Sattvic foods provide mental peace and it keeps our mind calm, helps us speak the truth, and always keeps our mind under control. This is the main reason as to why Brahmins prefer eating only sattvic foods. Foods that come under the category of rajas can make you want and desire worldly pleasures. Onions, this is one of the main reasons as to why onions were restricted in the earlier times. The qualities that we get when we eat food in the tamasic category, such as onion and garlic, is our mind becomes evil and we tend to become more angry. Our mind can never be got under control. That is why people always avoid eating onions and garlic. Though some people believe that garlic helps to cure certain health disorders, however, Brahmins found alternative Ayurvedic medicine to cure the same disease. Since human beings have been known to be evolved from monkeys, these rules and beliefs were applied to tame our ever diverting minds. Rather, we humans do not have control over our minds. So, by avoiding foods like onion, garlic, and meat, etc., Brahmins believe that it is the step towards attaining peace and fulfilling the purpose of their life. Hence, they refrain from doing any such activities that might divert their attention away from God. So, friends, this is the information about why Brahmins don't eat onion and garlic. In the rest of my video, I am sharing my Friday Lakshmi Puja video with my devotional song. Please follow the video until the end to listen my devotional song. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Those viewers who are watching my channel for the first time, please don't forget to press the bell button for video my notifications. Thank you very much.
ऐगिरिनन्दिनि नन्दितमेदिनि विश्वविनोदिनि नन्दनुते गिरिवरविन्ध्यशिरोदिनि वासिनि विष्णुविलासिनि जिष्णुनुते भगवति हेशितिकण्ठकुटुम्बिनि भूरि कुटुम्बिनि भूरि कृते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते सुरवरवर्षिणि दुर्धरदर्शिनि दुर्मुखमर्शनि हर्षरते त्रिभुवनपोषिणि शङ्करतोषिणि किल्बिषमोषिनि घोषरते धनुजनिरोषिणि धीर्सुतशोषिनि दुर्मतशोषिनि सिन्धुसुते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते।